it also underscores MiTAC our leadership in terms of designing the AI power infrastructure to cover diverse workload from inference, training, and rack deployment. Fundamentally, we are providing so-called enterprise AI, flexible but design to cover this kind of needs.
Hi, and welcome to 6.5 in the booth at NVIDIA GTC. Today, we're here at GTC in San Jose, and we're exploring how to build scalable AI infrastructure. I'm joined by Raymond Huang, GM and VP of Sales and Business Development at MiTAC Computing. Welcome to 6.5, Raymond.
Yeah, thanks for having me. Yeah.
Raymond, it's been a revolutionary week so far. We're hearing about how AI is moving from experimentation to production. Jensen calls it the Inference Inflection, and from my perspective, everyone in the ecosystem's job got harder this week. So,
it is.
What do you think the move to production means for server design and the platform for the next wave of AI?
Yeah, I think GTC represents the pinnacle of the AI innovation globally, and definitely it also underscores MiTAC our leadership in terms of designing the AI power infrastructure to cover diverse workload from inference, training, and rack deployment. Fundamentally, we are providing so-called enterprise AI, flexible but design to cover this kind of needs.
Flexibility seems so critical because we saw how a single GPU rack can split out into 7 different chips, 5 different racks. There's a lot of flexibility there.
Yeah.
So from your perspective, why is flexibility so important as organizations move from AI pilots to production?
Indeed, that's a very good question. So by providing a flexible design, meaning a platform customer can use as a standardized or across. So for example, we are designing an MGX for you. It's a dual socket, AMD Venice processor supporting up to 8 double width GPU. And it's based on also the other one, 1U single design, R1917, which is the latest, 1U MGX platform equipped with the ARM architecture. So by providing this kind of design, providing customer option with a standardized platform supporting their HD for AI, inference, or training.
That CPU attached seems really well aligned with what we've heard this week, and then also leveraging the latest GPUs. And the operational challenge of connecting these systems together is really about managing AI workloads, routing the right workloads to the right systems to get maximum utilization out of the systems.
Yeah.
And so how are you thinking about orchestrating these workloads when it comes to networking? And are there any partnerships that you use to distribute workloads to get maximum efficiency out of your systems?
Yeah, so for example, we partner with Buffet. We actually partner with them, integrate advanced software stack for seamless GPU management. So this kind of solution enable customers to streamline their Kubernetes orchestration and also automate HPC and AI workload. This kind of giving that some enterprise-grade governance, a so-called AI turnkey solution.
Sounds really well aligned. Kubernetes is used for scheduling workloads, I think, as the leading orchestrator these days, and it's critical to be able to align agentic workloads with emerging use cases like agents and RAG. And I was stopping by one of your partners' booths earlier today, DDN, and looking at a product called Infinia that you've built with them. And it really underscored to me what we're seeing at this show with the launch of NVIDIA's STX platform for high-speed storage, that being able to scale agents and retrieval workloads really relates to your access to storage, and then both being able to separate prefill from decode, ingesting the data, and then running it quickly.
Yeah.
And so how is a solution like the one you have with DDN called Infinia helping enterprises build the high-performance data pipelines needed for modern workloads?
Definitely, we are partnered with DDN. As you know, multimodal rack deployment requires massive data. So that's the reason we integrate DDN software, Infinia, onto our platform to provide a so-called next-generation AI turnkey solution for enterprise. Through DDN's Infinia, which is the HPC high performance, AI intelligence platform, this kind of help our customer to streamline Kubernetes orchestration and help them to minimize the data movement. This kind of solution is package hardware, software as a turnkey. That's the idea that we're providing to the customer through this partnership.
I saw some really impressive performance gains in that system, seeing a 20 plus times speed ups over conventional storage in terms of being able to ingest data. Are you seeing these types of generational gains as we enhance our access to flash storage and then get access to tightly integrated memory with high performance GPUs?
Yes, definitely. So through our partnership for this solution, we actually kind of provide a streamlined process for the storage, right? Also high performance storage. So we are leveraging, for example, Solidigm P7 S1010, as well as the Micron 9550, equipped with the E3 PCIe Gen 5 form factor, plus of the 8 of the 400 gig LAN port through NVIDIA ConnectX adapter as a package for a turnkey solution together with DDN's Inflection solution.
That sounds really well aligned with how PCIe is enabling fast data movement in data centers today, and being able to open up to the new storage racks coming online and the ability to access storage with agentic retrieval. So then, as we look ahead to build out AI factories that are able to shift workloads from training to inference, I wonder if you're seeing a change in how data centers are constructed and how they're managed. Just looking this week at the overall shift in superclusters from training to inference. It's clear that you need the ability to take an existing cluster and then reconfigure it and add additional, in some cases, excess storage to be able to go from a training workload to an inference workload. And so given that pace of change and that there's not necessarily one endpoint in mind for the AI factory, how do you think we can set up a platform on top of this hardware to be able to adapt to changing AI?
So I think overall, there's no one size fits all, but bottom line, everyone wants simplicity and quicker deployment. That's the trending. So what we are trying to do, so-called deliver an AI turnkey solution, whether through Rafael or also the DDN. The bottom line idea is give customers be able to mix and match configuration, streamline the orchestration of Kubernetes, and also be able still maintaining the throughput, low latency, while their workload is still on. So that's something we are trying to accomplish, and I believe through the partnership that we have together with Rafael DDN, we are providing so-called the most responsive rack performance for enterprise market today.
Fantastic, and you've got to ask, is there an announcement this week that you're particularly excited about? Something you think is really going to benefit customers as they work through problems that you've seen in the field?
I think fundamentally, key message is modular design, NVIDIA MGX platform, whether it's 1U or 4U form factor, that give customer the flexibility. Like I say, we are trying to provide a modular design, MGX platform that kind of give customer one standardized product that be able to deploy and cover different workload at efficiency level. And of course, through the partnership with the DDN or Rafael, that kind of provide the AI turnkey solution, leverage the modular MGX AI platform as a turnkey.
It's clear you're setting up a system that's more than just a GPU. It's something that can benefit from the latest innovations in storage and networking, which I think are going to continue to evolve quickly as we need more and more data to run longer and longer agentic sessions. And so building that in from the start, I think is well aligned with the future of the AI roadmap. And so I'm excited to see how organizations are able to use a turnkey solution to speed up the time to value for new data centers. So I really appreciate you joining me today, Raymond, and sharing how you're working on this fast-moving trend.
Yeah, always.
Thanks for tuning in to 6.5 Media in the booth at NVIDIA GTC. Don't forget to hit subscribe, follow us on socials, and check out our other material at 65media.com. Thanks for joining, and have a great day.